Immigration lawyers versus visa consultants. Which one is better for skilled migrants? Most skilled migrants get this wrong by assuming that visa consultants can handle every aspect of immigration. The surprising truth is that while visa consultants can guide you through basic paperwork, immigration lawyers offer legal expertise that can prevent mistakes, delays, and even denials. Visa consultants are professionals who assist with filling out applications, gathering documents, and providing general advice. They are often faster and less expensive than lawyers, making them suitable for straightforward cases like standard work visas. For example, a software engineer applying for a typical work visa may find a consultant sufficient for completing forms correctly. However, consultants cannot provide legal representation, interpret complex immigration law, or handle appeals if your application is refused. Immigration lawyers, on the other hand, are trained legal professionals who specialize in immigration law. They can assess eligibility, develop strategies for complex cases, and represent you in court or tribunals if needed. For instance, if a skilled migrant faces visa refusals, changes in immigration policy, or eligibility issues due to criminal records or gaps in employment, an immigration lawyer can navigate these challenges and maximize the chance of success. So, which is better for skilled migrants? For simple, routine applications, a visa consultant may suffice. But if your case involves complexity, high stakes, or potential legal challenges, an immigration lawyer is the safer choice. The key takeaway is that choosing the right professional can significantly impact your migration journey. Immigration lawyers provide legal protection, strategic advice, and representation that can make the difference between approval and rejection. Understanding the distinction ensures skilled migrants make informed decisions, protecting their future and career opportunities abroad.